Got a Toyota Highlander today. Quarter panel. Someone just standard parking lot dent here. Someone opened their door into the quarter panel of the Highlander here. So through the body line, a little bit of crowning on top, but not too much. A lot of that should kind of work itself out as I push on the back side of the dent. So we'll get back behind there, probably coming from underneath the wheel well on this one. Get that thing taken out. Okay, we're halfway through on this Highlander. Just show you what's up. So I just only pushed on the body line so far. You can see there's a scratch in there too, but we'll buff that out. So you can see most of that crowning came out around the top there. So we're getting there. Here's the tool I'm using. 3/8 inch with a little right angle on it and a soft cap. The customer, instead of wanting to pay for me to jack it up and take this whole liner out, the customer opted to put a hole in the inside of the door there. You can see that. What will happen is we will put a plug that's very similar to this, and I'll show you afterwards how we do that. But they saved probably like $40 by doing that. They were more concerned about the dent than the little plug in their door, I think because it's a lease vehicle. All right, I'm gonna talk for a minute about this hole that I had to drill. So in this quarter panel, there are a few options to get access to a quarter panel. You can come from underneath. You can come from the taillight over there. You can remove all the paneling on the inside of the car, or you can glue pull from the outside. All of those options are more expensive than putting this little hole right here, so the customer opted for this. Everything else requires maybe a half hour worth of work, jacking this up, removing the liner, probably drilling underneath there as well, because I don't think there's an access hole pre-drilled from the manufacturer under there. Removing the taillight would probably not give us access because of the gas tank assemblies in the way, and then removing the paneling is probably a much more involved situation. May have to remove the seat or something as well. So this is easy access. It's inexpensive because it gets me right immediately to the back side of the panel, and we have a plug here, just like the front door. So it doesn't change anything. We rust proof the little hole in there, and then we put this plug in there, and it will not come out unless you want it to come out. You really have to pry it out there. So anyways, that's the explanation of the hole. It is an option. It's kind of our last resort, but we just always give all the options to the customer and let them decide what works best for this particular situation or for your particular situation. So a daily driver on a Toyota Highlander, maybe the hole's not that big a deal. A higher end car, I'm definitely gonna tell you to not drill a hole if you don't have to. So I'll flip the camera around and show you the final product.
Can you see?
Yep.
Is that enough light?
No, we're good.
You took the before?
Yeah, I took the before
How
video.
can you see the before?
I'll show you. So we finished up here. Customers out here talking, and so that was right there.
Pays off.
Oh yeah.
Yay.
So you can see how close we got that, or perfect. I don't think you can see anything.
Oops.
You're all right. So that's the after. Customer's very happy.
Oh, this is not pretty weather.
Not worried about the hole. All right. Thank you for watching.